All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know, once again, another day, another Dogecoin update. And this one is really interesting. So if you do hold Dogecoin and you're excited about Dogecoin news, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If we're looking at the entire markets today, once again, a lot of projects turning back into green, but this time around, we're seeing something different. And that is that Dogecoin is down about 5%, while the entire market, well, not the entire market, literally 90% of the coins in the top 100 are going back into the green. So why is Dogecoin not moving? As we were speculating yesterday on the channel, I was saying that, the reason as to why we're seeing Dogecoin holding really strong against the entire market is because, of course, the Starlink, massive launch that was taking place today. And obviously, as I was speculating in my video, so far that speculation, it did come true. A lot of people were anticipating, and again, a lot of people were anticipating that, this Starship is going to have some sort of thing with Dogecoin revolved around, and maybe like just a sticker, or maybe Elon Musk, tweeting another picture of the Starship with the logo of Dogecoin. But as a matter of fact, that did not happen. And of course, we did see Dogecoin dip a little bit, and hence why we're seeing Dogecoin down against majority of the markets right now. So this makes me believe that my speculation, what I was really believing, was somewhat true. And of course, as the Starship did go up, that's coincidentally when we did see a little bit of a decrease in price, because I think longs started to take profits, because I think there were other people that were thinking something similar as to what I was thinking. But is this the end? Is this the end for Dogecoin? Let me talk about that right now. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So as we're looking at the price of Dogecoin, it's at 7.9 cents, as mentioned earlier, down a little bit in Bitcoin comparative as well as USD. You can see the market cap is currently sitting at $11.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $1.6 billion, which is still quite impressive. But what really is next for Dogecoin in the upcoming days ahead of us? Are we going to see the price plummet back down to levels we have not seen since last week, or are we going to hover around this range? So if we're looking at Dogecoin, pretty much earlier this morning, the price did almost reach 9 cents. And last time the price of Dogecoin was at 8.7 cents, guys, dates back to literally, okay, let's go back in time. So we're looking at roughly April of this year. And we know what happened in April. I continuously give you guys reminders about this, but back in April, around this time, we had the April Fool's, thing that was taking place. And what was taking place was, X platform, formerly known as Twitter, their logo got turned into Dogecoin. And that was causing a lot of excitement. And of course, that would cause excitement. We're talking, one of the biggest social media platforms with the Dogecoin logo as its main logo when people log in. And guess what? That brings in a lot of eyes on the project. So, that was the reason as to why we saw the significance rally all the way going up to this 10.5 cents. But guys, the entire market was going through some very uncertain times. So we did see the price retrace quite sharply over the month. So, if you did sell around this 10.5 cents, let's say you did to lock in some profits, you could have picked it up about 50% cheaper just, on, when was this? In June of this month. I'm sorry, not this month, of this year. And then pretty much we've been bouncing back and forth. July was another month. We went to 8.3 cents, but pretty much that, we haven't seen the 10 cents mark being retested since April. But I think that is going to change, because right now, of course, we're seeing Dogecoin. It's no doubt right now Dogecoin is going down. If we are bringing out the measuring tool from yesterday, we did see the price drop about 10.3%. And again, guys, that's normal. A lot of moon boys were expecting that, hey, we will see Elon Musk tweet about Dogecoin, or we're going to see Starlink with a Dogecoin logo. But, it never goes as planned, guys. And this is why it's speculation, right? But one thing that is worthwhile noting is that, Dogecoin is an upward trajectory. So I'm still targeting the 10 cents price range for Doge in the upcoming weeks ahead of us. We're creating higher highs and higher lows. So that's great to see, and that definitely gives us an indication that we're in an upwards trajectory. And anyone that's going to short, and again, like I said, leverage trading is extremely risky, and I don't encourage, or I don't want any of my viewers leverage trading. But I think anyone that's going to think that it's a great time to be shorting Dogecoin is going to be getting deep trouble. I think whales are going to come and take this price back up to 8.7 cents in the upcoming days ahead of us. Obviously we've seen a flush because of the Starlink speculation being denied, and I think that is what's looking like right now for Doge in the immediate short term. Of course, we're being supported by some crucial levels of support. You guys can see this for yourself. So I expect this level to hold, to be quite frank with you guys, and especially if BTC is able to bounce back up to 38K, we're going to see Dogecoin really take advantage of this and start pushing back to some highs that we have not seen since April. And once we're able to clear this 10.5 cents resistance, that's where we could start talking about the 78.6 zone, which we have not seen for quite some time, pretty much literally since April of last year was the last time we were above into the 78.6, which was at 17 cents. So one step at a time overall, not bad. This is why, like I said, you don't want to be leverage trading. Moves like this can shake you out, and this is what you do not want to be doing. Spot trading, which means just buying your asset, holding it, is the best way to do so. But let me know down below what you guys think, and what's your overall take on Doge future in the upcoming years ahead of us. But with that said, thank you so much for all your support. Love you all. See you tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.